Hey friends, if you wish to fix DTSX Ultra not working on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So the first solution is to update the audio drivers. And how would you do that? So search for Device Manager in the Windows search bar and open Device Manager. Expand the list for audio inputs and outputs. Right click and update all the drivers one by one. Okay. The next solution is to run the audio troubleshooter. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the system tab. Now scroll down and select troubleshoot. Select other troubleshooters and click on run corresponding to the audio troubleshooter. The next solution is to update Windows and drivers. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the Windows Update tab. Select advanced options. Select optional updates and update all the optional updates. Go to the Windows Update page and click on check for updates. Now this was Windows level troubleshooting, but what about the troubleshooting associated with the app itself? So search for the DTS app and then click on app settings in the right pane. Scroll down, select terminate, click on repair, let it repair through, and then click on reset and reset once again. So it will repair and reset the application, and this should fix it in most of the situations. Test it. If it doesn't work, then the next solution is as follows. Click on uninstall and uninstall once again to remove it. Now you can search for store in the Windows search bar and open Microsoft Store, and then you can search for DTS and then you go to DTS on Unbound and then select install. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.